What if I told you that just having a LinkedIn profile, no matters how polished it looks, will never guarantee you a job? Sounds harsh, right? But the truth is, millions of professionals around the world that if they optimize their LinkedIn profile, post the right buzzwords, or collect hundreds of connections, job offers will start flowing in automatically. But the reality is very different. LinkedIn is just a tool. It can open doors. In this video, I'm going to share you exactly why LinkedIn is not enough and what you must do actually gets a job in today's competitive market. Let's start by understanding the role of LinkedIn. LinkedIn is essentially a digital resume, a networking platform, and branding tool, all rolled into one. But a profile, no matter how impressive, it waits for recruiters or hiring managers to find you. And here is the kicker. Recruiters are flooded with thousands of profiles every day. Standing out purely based on profile or fancy keywords is almost impossible. LinkedIn algorithms may show you a profile to some recruiters, but showing up doesn't mean getting ahead. A lot of people spend months tweaking their profiles thinking they are LinkedIn ready. Yet the response rate barely changes. Why? Because job hunting is about active strategy, not passive hope. Another big misconception is that networking on LinkedIn guarantees results. People send connection requests with generic messages like let's connect or I'd like to work with you, and then wonders why no one responds. Effective networking is not about numbers, it's about meaningful interaction. It's about showing value, building relationships, and positioning yourself as someone who solves problems. LinkedIn is only a platform to facilitate this. It cannot create relationships for you. Think of it like owning a phone. Owning it doesn't make you talk to people. You have to pick up the phone and have a conversation. So, what does work if LinkedIn isn't enough? First, clarity. You need to know what job you want, which companies you target, and the specific skills or experiences that make you valuable. Then, you combine LinkedIn with proactive actions. These include reaching out to recruiters and personalized messages, attending industry events, engaging in meaningful discussions in your niche, and even creating content that demonstrates your expertise. When you position yourself as someone who adds value rather than someone who wants just a job, opportunities start coming to you not because of LinkedIn alone, but because of your consistent actions. Here is the another truth. The highest chances of landing a job often come from off-platform strategies, cold emails, referrals, attending online meetups, contributing to open source projects, or even volunteering for projects in your field can put you directly in front of decision makers. LinkedIn helps support these efforts, but it's never the primary driver. People who only rely on LinkedIn often end up frustrated because they are playing a passive game, while others are playing a proactive game. Let me give you a real world example. I know someone who had a perfect LinkedIn profile with all the right buzzwords and hundreds of endorsements. Yet, month after month, no job offers came in. Then they started reaching out to people directly, applied through referrals, and even created a small project showcasing their skills publicly. Within 2 months, they had 3 solid offers on the table. The difference is LinkedIn didn't change their actions outside LinkedIn did. So, what's the takeaway? LinkedIn is just one tool in our career toolkit. It can enhance your visibility and credibility, but it cannot replace action, strategy, or skill building. The video you are watching right now is about helping you understand this distinction, actually land a job. You need to define your target, actively network, showcase your skills, take on projects that prove your abilities, and consistently follow. LinkedIn is your amplifier. It only works when paired with effort. Stop thinking of LinkedIn as a magic ticket to employment. Start treating it as a powerful assistant in your proactive journey. If you combine LinkedIn with real-world action, strategic outreach, and skill demonstration, you are no longer waiting for opportunities. You are creating them. Remember, a profile alone doesn't get you ahead. Your actions do. If you found this video insightful, make sure you hit the subscribe button and comment your thoughts in the comment section below.